So I know you all are waiting to hear the management. Are you waiting?
Yes.
Shall I call?
Yes.
No excitement.
Yes.
You want to know the updates?
Yes.
You want to know the updates?
Yes.
Okay. So now, with a big round of applause, let's welcome
Thank you very much. Please be seated. Actually, I am not good at English and good at Hindi. That's why I speak in Telugu. Or otherwise, I'll mix with both Hindi and English.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
We all are infinities. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Let him speak whatever language he wants to, and I'll be translating to all of you.
Thank you very much. First of all, first company trip. Achievers. You are all first company trip achievers.
Yes.
Big round of applause to all of you. Even though we don't have any experience in the event management, we three people, we three together arranged all these things. How is it? How it is? Okay, we didn't allot the program for the event management. We only did the all arrangements. How is the arrangements?
Super.
Just imagine from the beginning, from the inception, we don't have any experiences like management, administration, even event management. You don't have any experiences, but we started slowly and we did something. It's okay. Is it okay? Thank you. See, if you in the starting, if it is like this, just imagine after 1 year, after 5 years, after 10 years, how the events, how the programs will be going on. Just imagine. How you enjoyed the trip? Okay, this is the possibility in this industry only. That is only industry, direct selling industry. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
There are so many industries in India, in the world, but only one industry in future is going to rock. That is the only one industry going to be the big industry. That is only one industry is direct selling industry. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. In future, by 2025, 18 million people will get the opportunity with this industry and they will get the good lifestyle in this industry by 2025, 18 million people. There are so many sectors is there, but this is the industry going to be rocked because you know very well, any industry started in the world, there will be three stages. First stage is struggle stage, second stage is stability stage, third stage will be growth stage. Yes or no?
Yes.
But in direct selling industry, struggle stage almost completed within 2 decades because this industry in India started in 1995, but it is almost 20, after 20 years, the struggle stage is completed. Now the stability stage is came. In this stability stage, so many problems will come. Once the stability is completed, then growth stage will start. In any industry, struggle stage will be more years, like 10 years, 20 years. Once the struggle stage is completed, stability stage is, it didn't take much time. Not more than 10 years, even 5 years it will be, stability stage will be completed, then growth stage will start. Within 5 years, the growth stage will be started in direct selling industry. If you see the in worldwide report, We are in the lowest stage in direct selling industry. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, if you see the even Asia is the lowest stage, in India is the bottom stage. It's not a small industry, $180 billion industry. And in $180 billion industry, in industry, 79% is business doing those 10 countries only. But our country name is not there in that list. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Even see any industry start will in India very slowly. Okay, once the migration started in our country, that industry will be rock. Yes or no?
Yes.
If we see the IT industry started in very lately, but all over the world, 35% IT professionals are Indians. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
That is the power of industry, because any industry will enter in our country very late, but finally we will rock entire world. Yes or no?
Yes.
In the same way, we are in the lowest position, and so far 119 million people are enjoying in this industry. In that, 15.2% only full timers. Only 15.2 only full timers, and part timers 44.2%, and 60.5% is only consumers. Just imagine, we have to focus on the consumer side, then the company will be stability. Yes or no?
Yes.
We have to focus on consumers. Any industry, monopoly is most dangerous. Yes or no? Once upon a time, in telecommunication, there is only one company called BSNL. Yes or no?
Yes.
But how the facilities are there, how the services are there, we are well known. Yes or no?
Yes.
But when came the private sector, private companies like Airtel, Jio, when the services, new companies came in the private sector, automatically that industry was strong. Yes or no?
Yes.
Based on that monopoly, when the monopoly is gone away, consumer will get more benefited, and industry people also get benefited. Yes or no? Get more benefits. Yes or no?
Yes.
In the same way, in industry, direct selling industry, in India, some of the companies are monopoly, but we want to, that industry want to grown up, we have to dismantle that monopoly. Change is very important. Yes or no? If you don't accept the change, what will happen? We know there are so many gained companies. There are so many gained companies. They don't accept the change. That's why companies were collapsed like Nokia and Kodak. Yes or no?
Yes.
Once for a time, Nokia connecting the people. Everybody knows. Yes or no?
Yes.
I love that one mobile 3310. Okay.
Yes.
So many times it fell down and it was broken. Still with rubber packing, everything we were used like that. Yes or no?
Yes.
But where is Nokia right now? Because they don't accept the change. That's why the company has gone. Yes or no? Once for a time, if you want to take and click Kodak cameras, Kodak reels, yes or no? Now where is Kodak? Because they don't accept the change. That's why companies were collapsed. That's why we want the change. Even you can, this is on magazine, direct selling news. You can you view in PDF format in Google also. In that, when we started thinking about starting the company, we have seen this magazine, and first page. In that first page, there is a matter called some of the companies stubbornly staying on one thing, but they are not accepting the changes. That is the reason. That is the reason. That is the reason Winfleet was started.
Wow.
Because because this industry has given all of our three people. We are all three people are very ordinary people, but this industry make us an extraordinary. Okay, this industry given so many things, but that is the reason we started that. We want to give more than that. Not only good. In this industry, we want to bring not only good, we want to give the more than best. That's why Winfree was started. Already you know very well, already from the beginning onwards, we are telling that we don't have any experience in the management, but we have somehow we are managing the things. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
And plan. When the plan was started, so many people were confused. Yes or no?
Yes.
The plan was stable right now. Yes or no?
Yes.
Today, one more good news is there in the plan. I will tell you. And products. Okay. We started in Corona time. We know very well there is no transportation. But even though we did something, now it was upgraded. Yes or no?
Yes.
In the same way, education is not new for us, because our even bottom level leader also conducting so many education systems. Yes or no?
Yes.
In the same way, leadership, because of all leadership, we created this history. Yes or no?
Yes.
Big round of applause to our leadership. Manju sir dialogue I have to tell.
Yes.
మేక ముట్టనే ఆకు లేదు, వినిపిస్తు లేని విలేజ్ లేదు అన్నప్పుడు, పల్లి లేదు అన్నప్పుడు ఐ హావ్ ఎ డౌట్, హౌ కెన్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్ టు రీచ్ ఎవ్రీ విలేజ్? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? Dialogue is good, but how can prove that dialogue? That's why we started this month onwards Flexi, 1 lakh Flexi Shopee. No laptop required, no printer required. In website or app also, you can bill your downline invoices and send them PDF format in WhatsApp also. But in trial run, we'll start for every state. We'll start with 10 Flexi points. If it is success in this month, then next month onwards we'll give it as per our rules and regulations. We'll give it everywhere. Is it okay for you?
Yes.
This Flexi points we are connecting to WDC, and now we are thinking on that to connect the WMDC also to pick the stocks. And now online payment also started. Now it is successfully running. You can order your order anywhere from anywhere through the debit card, credit card, like UPI payments. Our payment gateway is successfully completed, and now we can order your stock from anywhere through the. And most important thing, this is the main thing. From the beginning, we are thinking on that. For the branch directors, we need one small change, small updation. Yes or no?
Yes.
That is started from this month business onwards. That is called accumulation. As per last month business, we taken the data. ఓకే, ఫ్రమ్ ద బిగినింగ్ నుండి నేను ఆలోచిస్తున్నాను ఎలాగైనా దీన్ని ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలి, ఎలా చేయాలని చెప్పేసి ఫ్రమ్ ద బిగినింగ్ ఆలోచిస్తున్నాం. మేము ముగ్గురం అంటే ఆలోచిస్తుంది. ఓకే, దీన్ని ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలని చెప్పేసి దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ వి స్టార్టెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ మంత్ ఆన్వర్డ్స్. ఈవెన్ వి taken the data from the last month also. We make it trial. 100 new branch directors came with the last month data, and 510 people, existing bronze athletes was qualified with this accumulation plan. మనకందరికీ తెలుసు 25,000 matching is the bronze athlete, yes or no?
Yes.
But in accumulation basis, only one condition is that qualification month has to maintain 10,000 pair BV.
Yes, super sir.
Only from this month onwards, all it was started. You can explain in the business plan also. And most important thing, all distributors are not using the social media for the updations. I am requesting you all, use our social media, Facebook and YouTube mainly, okay, for the updations. And a small request to everyone in this social media, for the time being, like 6 months, 3 to 6 months, don't sound noise in the social media. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
దయచేసి కొంత టైము సోషల్ మీడియాలో లైక్ యూట్యూబ్ లో కానీ ఫేస్బుక్ లో కానీ ఎక్కువగా సౌండ్ చేయొద్దు. మీకు తెలుసో తెలీదో, ఎదర్ యు నో ఆర్ డోంట్ నో, in India, in the sound wise, out is the top 10 company, sound wise.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am requesting you, for the time being, that noise we have to calm down. As you know that rules and regulations are tightening. That's why I am requesting you in social media, for the time being, only 3 to 6 months, please calm down in the social media. సోషల్ మీడియా ఎవరు కూడా గట్టిగా రద్దు చేయడానికి ట్రై చేయొద్దు. అండ్ దయచేసి కాంపిటీషన్ గా తీసుకోండి, దాన్ని నెగిటివ్ గా వేరే దాని మీద ఫోకస్ చేయొద్దు. We have to focus on our strength only, but not others' weaknesses, or no?
Yes.
So we have to focus on our strengths. Tell our plan strength, our product strength, our management strength, our leadership strength only. You focus on that. Don't compare with other companies. Don't abuse other companies. Okay. Actually, I planned to speak in Telugu, but I tried to speak in English, but I don't know how. Thank you very much. आज का शाम आपके लिए. Okay. आपका शाम सभी के लिए. We are not taking too much time. We'll finish it as early as possible because we have to stop the DJ before 10:30. That's why we'll finish as early as possible. And thank you very much. And have a safe journey to your destination. Thank you very much.